Hi, I'm Mike Rankin, Editor-in-Chief of CreativePro.com, and in this video, I'll show you a super fast way to replace a swatch in Adobe Illustrator. Here in my file, I have a bunch of graphics that use this teal-colored swatch. And let's say we needed to replace the teal color everywhere with a gold color. I can use any of Illustrator's controls for mixing a new color. I'll just double-click here on the fill and mix up a gold color. Something like that'll do. I'll click OK. And now if I drag this color down into my list of swatches, notice the plus sign telling me that I can drop to add it to the list. But to replace a swatch in the list, I can hold Option on the Mac or Alt on Windows and release on top of the swatch that I want to replace. Because this was a global swatch, the color is updated everywhere it was used. And because my old swatch was named with the color values, the name is also updated. If I had used a custom name like teal, I'd have to manually rename the swatch. So remember, anytime you want to replace a swatch in Illustrator, just hold Option or Alt and drop the new color on top of the old swatch in the Swatches panel. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and if you want lots more tips like this, be sure to check out CreativePro.com.